In this episode of Paddy Blitz, there's been an open letter circulating online which is calling upon the action from Uganda's top officials. This includes judicial top official, military, and also the head of state himself. And this letter is coming from one of the top Paddy leaders and a well-known person. So we are not going to read the full letter, but I think some people have already got maybe chance to read it. At the end of it all, we are going to let the AI read for you the letter. So we have a total of 9 extracts. We have extracted 9 key points from this open letter to these two officials. And the key points extracted from this open letter, number 1 is there's been urgent call by Okello Balex, who is the district councillor for Paihula sub-county. Number 1 is urgent matter requiring presidential intervention. He's saying that the letter addresses President Yoweri Museveni, urging him to intervene in an issue affecting the district. The second thing is there's a concern over judiciary handling of a case. The case again is Honorable Kilama Fearless Wood Acholi, the mayor of Paddy Town Council, which has raised concerns about fairness in judicial proceedings. Then the third thing you should know is that there is a potential impact on the president's reputation, according to the letter. The author warns that failure to address the issue could negatively affect the president's image and that of his administration in Paddy district and beyond. And then also the fourth thing that the letter is also talking about is there is a request for the president's visit to Paddy. A personal visit by the president is requested to assess the situation firsthand and provide guidance. Also, you need to know another thing is the call for intervention by Chief Justice and Lieutenant General Muhoozi. That is the fifth thing. So he also urges Chief Justice Alphonse Dollo and Lieutenant General Muhoozi to ensure justice is served fairly. Justice is served fairly and impartially. And then the sixth thing is emphasis on judiciary's independence and integrity. The letter references past directives by the president and the president to the Chief Justice, highlighting the need for judicial integrity. Then the seventh thing also that the letter addresses the appeal of peace, justice, and prosperity. The author frames the request as an appeal for national stability and progress. And then the second last thing that you must know is closing with a prayer and blessings for the president. The letter ends with a prayer for wisdom and guidance for the president in decision making. And then the ninth thing is it is authored by a local leader. The letter is signed by Okello Balex, a district councillor representing Paihula sub-county. So in case you have not yet come across this letter, check it out.
Open letter to His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni regarding the urgent need for intervention in Paddy District. Your Excellency, I am compelled to bring to your attention a pressing matter that requires your immediate intervention. The ongoing case against Kilama Fearless Wood Acholi, the mayor of Paddy Town Council, has raised concerns among the community regarding the judiciary's handling of the matter. As a concerned citizen, I fear that if this issue is not addressed promptly, it may impact your reputation and the reputation of your administration in Paddy District and neighboring areas. I humbly request that you consider visiting Pader district personally to assess the situation and provide guidance. Furthermore, I respectfully request the intervention of Chief Justice Alphonse Oeni Dollo and Lieutenant Gen Muhoozi Kainerugaba to ensure that justice is served fairly and impartially. It is crucial that the judiciary maintains its independence and integrity, as evident in your previous directives to the Chief Justice to review certain decisions. I make this appeal not only as a concerned citizen but also as a patriot who desires to see peace, justice, and prosperity prevail in our beloved country. I pray that you will take this matter seriously and take prompt action to address the concerns of the people of Pader district. May God bless you, Mr. President, and guide you in your decision-making. Amen. Sincerely. Okello Balex. District Councillor, Payula Sub-County.